Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. There again, guys. Guys, don't worry about the setup. I was about to stream some truck until me look on YouTube and me see that song here. So I say me a react. Khago is here. You say Khago. Khago hotter than summer in Egypt right now. Khago is here again with another diss track aiming at octane. Khago didn't don't tell him to say it personally, no. Say him now stop. Or when octane got another grave and say him now stop. So we're here again with Khago face shot. Octane this. We're gonna forward another one here and here with the GSC. Let's get it, man.
Yeah, so baby, just take some time, you know. Anyone murder, they put the back of feeling. Murder, you a touch me. Baby, murder, you a touch me.
So, I tell them, I say, baby, listen to them, man. Remember saying, man, murderer, you a touch with it, no. A murderer, you lie down with the night time, you know. So, just don't say, at the lifestyle that you choose. So, I eat it in about era. I have something to go kill, so, excuse me, soon forward.
Touch me. Baby, murder, you a touch me. She said me would tough like Kowan. Remember the last fuck I me give you before.
Yo, never feel Kowan yet? You don't ever get like a Kowan, like to feel a Kowan, brother? You see that tough?
She said me would tough like Kowan. Remember the last fuck I me give you before I make up a bar on the back of it. Tell me say you love me, baby, you grab up my back and you bite your lips and squeal. See the boy that you run.
Yo, when I kiss her and said, baby, me soon forward, don't worry yourself. Don't know, so me have a job to go out there go do. So I go do it now. So don't worry yourself, I'm soon forward, big and bold. And know what thing go,
Baby, you grab up my back and you bite your lips and squeal. Yeah. See the boy that you run me up, you gun him down, wait, you can't hear the shot, yeah. Damn.
See the boy there run. So I must say, octane and run. So wait the baby, me have to gun him down. You can't hear the shot, yeah. Bang. One to him brain.
The boy that you run me up, you gun him down, wait, you can't hear the shot, yeah. Damn. The face shot. Boy spread out pan him face, dead from face shot.
I one shot him give me now. One shot him give. Just notice I not 2 or 3 shot here. One shot. And the one that sound like it connect. You see me? Face shot him say, yo, one me I give you. See it, yeah? Mara jump out. Upscotch style.
The face shot. Boy spread out pan him face, dead from face shot. One land pan is up, man, I get a baby till me forward. You know man, I'm murderer. Me love you, me love me gun, and me love badness. And you know how you know man, I'm murderer.
But I tell you, say, yo, hold on pan something, babes. Don't get to it. Hold on pan it. Just know, say, yo, if anything will happen, just hold on pan it. Also, me love you, me love badness, and me love my gun. That are the main 3 things that me love. Apart from the kids them. That's how we Khago say. Not me. Let's
love
go.
you, me love me gun, and me love badness. And you know how you know man, I'm murderer. Why you feel that me bet me heart pan it. Bad man mission, me can't pan it. Just wind up and keep it something tight from me. A bad man you deal with.
Yo, that song is a different one. Cause that song is, he must sing to a girl about the badness. Creativity again. He must sing to a girl about him lifestyle. And when currently involved in her, which is a war. You know? So, he must tell her, say, babe, just go and wall out. Just know, say, yo, it's a talk to there. You know?
Just wind up and keep it something tight from me. A bad man you deal with. Girl, you have the tightest piece of wool. When me dip on the back of his own fire. Girl, you have the tightest piece of wool. Boy, you fit that baby, me soon fire. Yeah, girl, you have the tightest piece of wool. Yeah, girl, you have the tightest wool. Yeah, girl, you have the tightest. Yeah, girl, you too brave. Fit take up bad man in your life. We shot boy in the face and stab them with knife.
Yo. She take you up because she love the toxicity. The toxic. You're toxic and she like it. Me can't remember the word. Toxicity. Yo, you toxic and she like the toxic life. She like the bad man life. Yeah. You know me I try a big word like some me like some me a big education. Big fool. Sure. Flat myself. Look at.
You girl, you too brave. Fi take up bad man in your life. We shot boy in the face and stab them with knife. Enough boy want kill me in a broad daylight. Some fuck face boy where you work, y'all try. Man, the
I need some water. Enough boy want kill me in a real life. Some fuckface boy we are work, girl tribe. Girl tribe connected to the what?
fi take up bad man in your life. We shot boy in the face and stab them with knife. Enough boy want kill me in a broad daylight. Some fuck face boy where you work, y'all try. Man, the panther farm and no that them no lie. Done boy in a ghost and take all of the spotlight. Them boy they no real, them go sit down and back by. I wish Rasta boy that get gunned down pan the turnpike.
Man same turn boy in a ghost and take out the spotlight. So man tell us say right now, all eyes depend on him. You see me? Anything in yo, Khago drop a song a day, no brother. The man a drop a song a day, no dog. Acting the man say, yo, listen to me. You not for answer, you know. Just know say, yo, me still a beat you. Yeah? Like a dumb animal. That is what Khago is saying, not me. Yeah?
No real man go sit down and back by. I wish Rasta boy that get gunned down pan the turnpike. Joint this piece of wool. When me the pan the back of 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Girl, the one fi tightest piece of wool. Boy, you fit that baby, me soon fire. Girl, the one fi tightest piece of wool. Girl, the one fi tightest. Girl, the one fi tightest piece of wool. When me the pan the back of 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Girl, the one fi tightest piece of wool. Boy, you fit that baby, me soon fire. Girl, the one fi tightest piece of wool. Me girl, the one fi tightest wool. Me girl, the one fi tightest wool.
Yo, Khago not stop, you know? Khago, brother. Khago is a bully, you know, dog. Khago is a bully. Khago not stop, brother. Yo, Khago not stop, brother. Yo. Yo, listen, people. Listen to me. Acting. I did say this in one of the reaction them before. Brother, you shouldn't even bother answer, brother. Because you know how Khago stay. You have all person know how Khago stay, brother. Yo. You have all person know how Khago stay. So Khago now go stop, brother. You know, long Khago shoot after you from 10 years ago, you know? Him say him not stop, you know, and believe say him not stop, you know? Me bombard. More war start back still. Properly. More acting start and answer back again. Get the war nice again, man. Dance are flat, you know. Dance are flat. Flat. Dance are flat, you know. What about the war, man? Boy, I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know. Anyway, this is why I'm going to leave that one here still. If you don't enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. Subscribe around here if you know. Thanks for the support over the past couple of weeks, especially the new subscriber them and the new followers them. Big up on yourself. Not for no view and down for the same way, but I say it go. Big up on yourself. Khago, big up on yourself, my fam. Yo. Once again, sorry about my gaming setup in the thing. I was just about to stream some game on my other channel and then Mrs. Sang drop, so I just react, you know. But yeah, look more.